We've got margin calls ahead of New York opening today. Even though a lot of people have a profitable position on gold, they close it in order to cover the stock losses. After that, we have the other thing going on with the Japanese stock market plunges 7% for almost the first time. And we have many accounts right now. A lot of traders can't log in Think or Swim. We have even Charles Swap. A lot of traders tell me today on our live streaming, they can't log in. They can't buy the dip for AMC. So we've got a lot of things to cover, guys, because right now GameStop and AMC reverse. AMC almost in a green and is still jumping up. So today video, guys, we have to discuss the reversal and the squeeze for many stocks. Even though we have huge red day in the beginning of August, we might have a reversal. So now will be the time, because as we said, this is unusual that a lot of people can log in to buy the dips. It's kind of conspiracy. A lot of people say this is kind of the market maker doing this on purpose in order to not trigger the squeeze. So in today's video, we have to discuss what we should do and what we should do in order to prevent this from happening the next time. So guys, hit the like and subscribe because we always go live every day. Today we discuss MGOL that pumped an hour live streaming for today, and we suggest for entry for this one around the $3.50. As you can see here, we discuss MGOL trade on our Discord today for entry around this level over the support that we discussed earlier. Over the support, as we discussed for MGOL, we said the support was over the $3.25, and we have a breakout at the market open. We suggest to take profit. That's why the price pulled back. So we're gonna discuss MGOL for tomorrow because every day there is an opportunity for entering for many stocks that always pump before the market open, even though the market was red. For MGOL was green. So guys, let's hit them today video and start today video and discuss AMC and GameStop, because both of them right now, for AMC at least, turning to green. Exactly while I'm doing the video right now, AMC is in the green, almost 0.00 in green right now, because in the pre-market it was red. Everything was red in the pre-market, almost 14%, and right now we reverse because we started to reverse from the $4.09, which is our support for today, that we discussed before. Even before, we said the $4 and the $3.50 is the support. And you see what's happened here. Once we got closer to this support, the $4, where we last time we tested, it was the end of May. Right now we revisited and we didn't stay there even for a few seconds. That's why the price reversed very fast and now is going up to test this ascending channel for AMC. If we go back and check GameStop, GameStop have the same reaction. We went until the bottom over the $17 and the price reversed. Right now we are down just 4% and getting near this gap around the $20.44. So this is the psychological level for GameStop to break in order to have another jump up like AMC and turning to the green side. As you see here, let me just go on the big picture to show you what's going on with GameStop. GameStop have big pullback since we tested this major resistance around the $30, and we pulled back almost 40%, guys, in a span of 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, and 40% pullback. So this is it. We should have a drastic price action reversal because this is the bottom for this month over the $17, give or take over the 16.90. So it's 17, 16.90. This is the level that we should have a reversal for GameStop, and at least turning to the green side, or at least testing this level of resistance around the 20.70 cents. So this is where the short have to cover and make GameStop to reverse at least around the 25. And this will give us at least how much we might reverse, 20%. So now we might have the reversal like happened before. You see what's happened here back in the last squeeze. We have a huge pullback down. Once we test the 17, we've got a big reversal up. Right now we testing the last like wall last support that we have a big whale buying, and now the whale triggered again and we have another reversal. So what we should expect for today? For today, we have to break or at least have a bit of rejection because this is where the short seller will add their position. However, this time we don't want to go back below the 1690, but we need to have a little pullback before another pump up for tomorrow. So this is the reaction that we anticipate for tomorrow. Right now, we might have a pullback and a bit of correction down a bit. Then for tomorrow, once we have the right buyer and again the right breakout for tomorrow around the 2070, yes, we're gonna have a continuation for this jump. For now, for AMC, at the other hand, looking way better than GameStop because we've got a little resistance to squeeze up. So for AMC, we have two level of resistance around the 25. After that, around the 30, I think. However, for AMC is just around the 570. For now, we have this little resistance that we have to taste or test, not taste. I'm thinking about food too much, but we have to test around the $5.30 or around this ascending channel, guys. This is the level that we have to break for AMC in order to squeeze up and go higher toward the $6.82. And this is would be the same scenario as happened before. You see, the technical for AMC happening the same as for GameStop. The last of May, we have a reversal from the 4 and we have the squeeze up. Right now, we retest this level of bottom and the buyers or the whale triggered, and that's why we have the reversal. Plus, we have a good earnings back here on the Friday, last Friday. So we have surplus of almost 76% for the earnings. However, the revenue is we have a deficit of 2 million, but this is not a big deal because if you see the percentage here is just 0.17% down, so it's not the big deal. However, as we said, we need to break not by today, because today we did a good reversal already. If we calculate just from the pre-market until now, we did 17%. So don't see that right now the it's still a bit red, but we did a good reversal so far, almost 17%. That's why we exhaust the energy for AMC, at least for today. But we need to have a bit of momentum up at least for tomorrow to test this ascending channel to see if we're gonna have a pullback. But this time, if we pull back, we need to hold over the $4.60. Then we have the breakout after that, after we have the right buyer to break the $5.70. So now is a really critical situation. What's happened, guys, with Schwab and the other account that's been unavailable to log in is kind of, some of you say, is manipulation, because it happened right around when everything pulled back big time. So right now, we'll see that it's kind of, if you think about it, they do it because they don't want to trigger the panic selling because they will lose money as well. So the best way, because they can't control the halting. The halting is just from the Nasdaq, and there's rule for halting the stock. But many brokers did this because they don't want to trigger the panic selling and make them lose money. For me, and here in Europe, we don't have this problem. It didn't happen for all brokers, just in case if you're wondering if it happened for all brokers. No, it happened for Schwab and happened for Thinkorswim, I think, for many traders that they can log in, or the broker was off site or offline, you can log on to your money. So it is crazy because this is your own money. At the same time, you can actually go and manage your trades. Some of you actually told me, it's like, Jesus, like crazy, like I want to buy the dip for AMC and then miss this reversal. So yeah, I guess you were right, you missed the perfect reversal here around buying the dip around the 17. So the idea here, if you can't logged in to your account for today for whatever reason, what I recommend, guys, join Moomoo instead, because in Moomoo we don't have this problem. And of course, at Moomoo you can have the opportunity to win 20% or 20 stocks with my link income section below, and plus you get 8.1 APY. At the same time, you don't have the problem of not trading, because in Momo didn't have the problem of this community or the broker was all right. I already actually traded the market live today and have no problem. So the link in comment section below if you want to have more option to trade the market, even if the market pull back down or crash, you have the opportunity to manage your accounts. So the best options here, as we said, guys, Moomoo, and the link in comment section below as well. You could have the limited offer, and you can win the 8 point APY plus the 20 stocks with my link in the comment section below. So guys, as I said, tomorrow we're gonna discuss AMC and GameStop in depth. So come join us, subscribe and like our video. And if you have any question, let me know in comment section below, and see you by tomorrow.